sweet potatoes grow from a slip. You take a sprouted potato and snip, snip, snip. Place the nip in a glass of water, but don't sip. Once you see the roots, it's time to get your gardening gloves and take a trip out to your garden, time to till and toil. Plant the roots in your fertile soil. Check the plant often until you see the first coil. As the plant grows, burning the midnight oil. Soon you'll see lovely purple blooms. That means your potatoes will be ready soon. Once the leaves wither and swoon, grab your spade and whistle a tune. You can whistle while you work, while digging around in the dirt. Put on some old pants and a shirt while you dig. Be on high alert to ensure that no bugs you hurt. Oh, dig until you see your golden prize. Once you have them all it's time to rise. Rinse off the dirt and you'll realize you have what you need for pies and fries. Peel the skins and slice and dice. Blend them in the mixer until they're smooth and nice. Mix in the molasses, sugar and spice. Stir it once, twice and thrice. Slide it in the oven and with pride you'll beam. Soon you'll be living the dream. After it cools, spray on the whipped cream. It'll taste so good, you'll almost scream. Peel more potatoes for delicious fries. Cut them in spirals to make curly fries. Spray them with oil and in the oven they'll slide. When they're done, it's time to dice. You can share them with family and friends. The happy smiles will never end. To the moon their taste buds you'll send, and next harvest you can do it again.